Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prep a chicken wing properly, clean and professionally. Keep watching for some top tips. So I'm going to teach you the different parts of the chicken wing. So first we've got the tip, which is here of the chicken wing. Then we've got the wingette, which is this bit, this section. So this section here. And then we've got the drumette, which is the thicker, meaty part. So that's all the sections of a wing. So two things to know when you're prepping a chicken wing is that you need to keep clean, keep tidy, and always have a good detergent round there, soapy water or a D10 or whatever, just something to wash the surfaces down. Use a rubber glove and throw it away, just so you keep clean and tidy as well. And also don't forget, chicken is high risk. So we just got to keep clean and you know, make sure everything's right. So let's get into the video. So first we're going to take the tip off, which is that bit there, and it's just straight down. So that's your tip. Then we're going to take the wingette off, which is this bit here, and we're just going to cut that in half, and that's your wingette, that. So that's your tip, that's your wingette, and this bit is your drum. You can trim the drum up a little bit, so it'll just, you know, it's not much fat on it, and it just allows all the spices to get in there. So I just trim it up slightly. There we are. And then you've got your nice bit of drum. So you've got three pieces, your wingette, sorry, your tip, your wingette, and your drum. So you've got three nice pieces of chicken wing there. So these are the chicken wings ready for marinated. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. And also there's going to be a part 2 to how to marinate the chicken wings. So don't forget to watch that. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks a lot. Bye.